Ply has a deep and bidirectional sync with Housecall Pro. To get started after you've created an account, you can click Connect Now. Choose from one of the integrations. We're going to choose Housecall Pro. Click Next. There's a helpful link here when generating your API key that you can follow with helpful instructions on how to do that. We're going to go back over here and log into our Housecall Pro account. Up in the right-hand corner, you're going to click My Apps. Click on Go to App Store. And we're going to scroll down to the API generator. We're going to generate a new API key for Ply. And we're going to give it full access. Click Generate Key. And you can see we've generated a new key. Now we're going to copy this key here. Go back over to Ply and enter your API key. Click Submit. There's currently no employees found in my business. However, when there is an employee that you can connect with, it will automatically pull that employee over and generate the Ply account if you chose to select them. I'm going to click Submit. Now, the data processes within 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how much data in your Housecall Pro account. If you've had 15 years of Housecall Pro data synced with Ply, obviously it's going to take a little bit, but within 5 or 10 minutes, your Housecall Pro connection should be all good to go. So we're going to click Got It, and we're going to head over to the dashboard. Now let's go take a look if we have a connection with Housecall Pro. It will pull in all of our catalog information as well as all of our jobs. Click on Catalog. And you can see here now we have a direct connection and sync status with Housecall Pro, and it's pulled in all of the information from our catalog here. At any point, you can make a connection call to Housecall Pro, something's out of sync, by clicking the Sync Data button up here in the upper right-hand corner. And this will automatically resync the data. So if you've made changes within your Housecall Pro account and you want to sync it with Ply, you'll be able to do it that way. However, there is a bidirectional sync with Ply that allows you to have syncing within a few seconds. So if you do make changes within Ply, all of that information will be synced back over with Housecall Pro and vice versa. Let's go take a look at some of our projects that synced as well. I'm going to click on Projects, and you can see we have all of the test projects that came over from Housecall Pro. These are really helpful when syncing. If you have technicians that are synced with Ply, you'll be able to allow them to assign all of their material attributions directly to Ply, and then it will sync to the invoice back over to Housecall Pro.